Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, October the 7th, 2023. It's actually today Sunday, and we have already solved two puzzles: the three-star Sudoku and the four-star Sudoku, and two puzzles are left: the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 72343. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then let me see. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. And 4 ones we have here in the second row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, column, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Finished in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Well, in the evening we have a samurai Sudoku, but first we have one puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.